This is Captain Jord of the USS PostHog, stardate January 2026, and this will be my very last changelog. Earlier today, I was navigating PostHog's new changelog website, a digital log where one can peruse the many updates and improvements made to PostHog at their own leisure. With a simple click of my mouse, I discovered new PostHog keyboard shortcuts, allowing me to navigate the app with remarkable speed and efficiency. I learned how to copy workflow nodes in just 2 easy steps, and I reviewed how experiments now support retention metrics. With the emoji reactions, GitHub details, and the ability to travel back in time at warp speed to view updates from prior years, it's never been easier to navigate PostHog's space. I was just about to watch one of our bi-weekly video recaps when I noticed something odd. In one of the video thumbnails, it was me, yet it was not me. Clicking on the video, I was suddenly transported into a parallel dimension. The PostHog app itself appeared unchanged, but the ship, its crew, looked undoubtedly different. Though they could not explain how or why I had been transported to their dimension, they did inform me on PostHog's new ability to add custom attributes as columns within the log's product. To celebrate, they called for some Tranya, only for me to be transported away before I could even get a sip.
Tranya?
Moments later, I found myself in yet another dimension, this one seemingly composed entirely out of AI slop. Still, its explanation of PostHog's new Health tab, which allows you to see how your web analytics setup is performing at a glance, was surprisingly accurate. Luckily, I was transported away before it could finish rendering an image of a tribble with human teeth. Next, I arrived in a dimension populated entirely of adorable hoggies. They possessed an impressive understanding of PostHog's new ability to save workflows as templates. What felt like an eternity, I was hurled across time and space into countless variations of our reality. Some were cute, some fun, some incredibly delicious, while others hauntingly disturbing, and many just downright strange. When hope seemed all but lost, I was suddenly transported into the strangest dimension yet, a bleak and confusing place known as the real world. There, I encountered our creator, an unattractive brute with only the basic understanding of pixel art and animation. He explained that due to PostHog's rapid pace of improvements, he had spread changelog entries across multiple dimensions. His reasoning? He thought it would make for a compelling narrative. But eventually, he agreed to return all the changelog entries and myself to our original dimension. For my troubles, he asked if there was anything he could draw up for me to help improve the welfare of my crew and our mission. After a moment's thought, I made one important request. And thus, I was returned to our ship, our changelog entries now residing within a single dimension, all accessible on our website and within the PostHog app itself.
That's incredible, Captain. And you look so different.
Yes, well, it's good to be back.
Captain, if the website changelog automatically compiles all the updates for us, what are we meant to do? What exactly is our mission now?
Data. The final frontier. These are the voyages of the USS PostHog. Its ongoing mission? To explore unknown user behavior. To seek out hidden signals and emerging patterns. To boldly go where no product team has gone before.
Randy? Kevin, did you see that spaceman?
Yes, I did.
What is happening around here?
There's so many bees this season.
Kevin,